Today's lesson. Let's practice the verbs. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. She drinks tea in the afternoon. She drinks tea in the afternoon. They walk to school every day. They walk to school every day. We talk to our neighbors regularly. We talk to our neighbors regularly. He reads a book before bedtime. He reads a book before bedtime. The cat sleeps on the couch. The cat sleeps on the couch. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. They listen to music while cooking. They listen to music while cooking. She runs in the park for exercise. She runs in the park for exercise. We play soccer on weekends. We play soccer on weekends. He works at the office from 9 to 5. He works at the office from 9 to 5. The kids study for their exams. The kids study for their exams. I write a letter to my friend. I write a letter to my friend. She draws a picture of the sunset. She draws a picture of the sunset. They dance at the party. They dance at the party. We clean the house on Saturdays. We clean the house on Saturdays. He rides a bike to the store. He rides a bike to the store. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. She swims in the pool. She swims in the pool. They paint the walls white. They paint the walls white. He cooks dinner for the family. He cooks dinner for the family. I visit my grandparents on Sundays. I visit my grandparents on Sundays. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. She takes photos at the beach. She takes photos at the beach. We plant flowers in the garden. We plant flowers in the garden. I build a sandcastle on the beach. I build a sandcastle on the beach. They fix the broken chair. They fix the broken chair. He opens the door for guests. He opens the door for guests. She closes the window before bedtime. She closes the window before bedtime. I buy groceries at the supermarket. I buy groceries at the supermarket. We sell old furniture online. We sell old furniture online. He helps his sister with homework. He helps his sister with homework. They run a marathon every year. They run a marathon every year. I lift weights at the gym. I lift weights at the gym. She combs her hair in the morning. She combs her hair in the morning. We brush our teeth before bed. We brush our teeth before bed. He listens to the radio in the car. He listens to the radio in the car. They play a musical instrument. They play a musical instrument. I learn a new language. I learn a new language. She teaches a dance class. She teaches a dance class. We drive carefully in bad weather. We drive carefully in bad weather. He fixes the car engine. He fixes the car engine. The kids jump on the trampoline. The kids jump on the trampoline. I pack my suitcase for a trip. I pack my suitcase for a trip. She smiles when she's happy. She smiles when she's happy. They cry during sad movies. They cry during sad movies. He laughs at funny jokes. He laughs at funny jokes. We wait for the bus at the stop. We wait for the bus at the stop. I plan a surprise party. I plan a surprise party. She cleans her room every weekend. She cleans her room every weekend. You're doing a good job.